Very good morning, students. Today we are going to do the question answer of lesson 4, gender sensitivity. Okay. Here is the question. Question 1 is here. What is gender sensitivity? Question 2. What should the boys not do at games or play? Question 3 is here. What did Geeta Fogart achieve? Question 4. Who is Kiran Bedi? Question 5. What do Rohit Bal and Sanjeev Kapoor prove? Question 6. What should the employers ensure at workplaces? So, I have written the answer on blackboard. First you write the question number 1 from the book. What is gender sensitivity? Okay. You just write the question from the book. Question 1 is, what is gender sensitivity? And the same way you will write this when you are going to write the question answer. Before you have to write the lesson name and the lesson number also. Lesson 4, gender sensitivity, question and answer. Answer 1 is here. Gender sensitivity means considering men and women equal. जेंडर सेंसिटिविटी का मतलब है कि आदमी और औरत को एक समान समझना. ओके, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट आंसर. जेंडर सेंसिटिविटी मीन्स कंसिडरिंग मेन एंड वुमेन इक्वल. ओके, in a very neat and clean handwriting all of you will write. Okay, after completing the answer 1 you will come to the book and write the question 2. Here is the question 2. What should the boys not do at games or play? Question 2 is here. What should the boys not do at games or play? जब कभी भी लड़के गेम्स और प्ले में रहते हैं, गेम्स खेलते हैं या so the answer 2 is here. Boys should not laugh at girls if they want to play masculine games. अगर लड़कियां भी बॉयज के साथ लड़कों वाला गेम masculine games खेलना चाहते हैं तो boys should not laugh at girls. तो लड़कों को लड़कियों पे हंसना नहीं चाहिए. ओके, boys should not laugh at girls if they want to play masculine games. Okay, after completing answer 2, just write the question 3 from book. Here is question 3. What did Geeta Fogart achieve? Geeta Fogart ने क्या achieve किया? Okay, so after completing answer 2, write the question 3. What did Geeta Fogart achieve? And the answer of this question is answer 3. Geeta Fogart achieved gold medal in wrestling at the Commonwealth Games in 2010. So, once again, Geeta Fogart achieved gold medal in wrestling at Commonwealth Games in 2010. Okay? So, question number 4 is, who is Kiran Bedi? And the answer of this question is, Kiran Bedi is the first woman to join the IPS, Indian Police Services. किरण बेदी वो पहली भारतीय महिला थी जिन्होंने इंडियन पुलिस सर्विसेज को ज्वाइन किया था. ओके, किरण बेदी इज द फर्स्ट वुमन टू ज्वाइन द IPS. IPS मीन्स इंडियन पुलिस सर्विसेज. ओके, क्वेश्चन 5 इज, व्हाट डू रोहित बाल एंड संजीव कपूर प्रूव? ओके, रोहित बाल और संजीव कपूर ने क्या प्रूव किया? सो द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज, Rohit Bal and Sanjeev Kapoor proved that typically feminine work can also be successfully done by men. रोहित बाल और संजीव कपूर शेफ हैं जिन्होंने ये अपने काम से उन्होंने ये प्रूव किया कि जो टिपिकली फेमिनिन वर्क जैसे खाना बनाना ये माना जाता है कि औरतों का काम है, वो सिर्फ औरतें ही कर सकती हैं, बट उन्होंने इस काम में महारत हासिल की. They become the world famous chef. So they prove that typically feminine work can also be done by men. Okay? So Rohit Bal and Sanjeev Kapoor proved that typically feminine work can also be successfully done by men. Okay? Question number 6. What should the employers ensure at workplaces? Okay? Question 6, last one. What should the employers ensure at workplaces? So the answer of this question, the employers should ensure that women are not harassed at workplace. So the answer is the employers should ensure that women are not harassed at workplaces. So here we have done the question answer. All of you first write the question from the book, then you write the answer from the video. Okay? So the fill in the blanks. See, first one, gender sensitivity involves considering men and women equal. Okay? Second one, Dash is the captain of Indian women's cricket team. The name of the lady is Mithali Raj. Third one, Amir Khan's film Dash is mainly based on Geeta Fogart's life, and the film name is Dangal, D-A-N-G-A-L, Dangal. Fourth one, boys and girls should treat each other as human. Fifth one, both men and women should realize that they cannot dominate any field. Okay, both men and women should realize that they cannot dominate any field. Options are written here. First one is equal, second one is Mithali Raj, third one is Dangal, fourth is human, and five is dominate. Okay. So now come to the question C, write true or false. See the question 1. It is important to promote gender sensitivity. It is true or false? It's true. Second, girls cannot play masculine games like cricket. It is false. They can also play. Okay. Third one, boys cannot play games like hopscotch. It's also false. They can also play hopscotch. Fourth, boys and girls should treat each other with respect. True. Fifth one, boys and girls have equal abilities. It's true. Okay. You can see here, first one is true, second one is false, third one is false, fourth one is true, and fifth one is true. So, this you will complete in your book. Fill in the blanks also you will complete in your book, and question answer you will write in your copy in a very neat and clean handwriting. Okay?